Hello my dear friends, welcome to Teac Electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha and today we have this Teac A2300 and today we're gonna try to record something and see how does it sound. I did some poking around, try to record something and the results were, so-so. Now I cleaned up everything, now I cleaned up heads, cleaned up pinch rollers, pick the actual tape and tune it up, the settings for this particular tape and see what we're gonna get. So by the way, speaking about tape, so here is the tape. So this is tritone or tritone, a magnetic recording tape, mylar, and it is from, as I think I mentioned once in a video, it is from, where the heck? Oh yeah, here we are. From 1962. This tape is from 1962 because this coupon is dated 1962, right? Here we are. This is crazy. This tape is like 60 attention years old tape. Sorry guys, I don't have a good tape. So, but I think, believe it or not, this tape is good. So let's start. Alright friends, so I prepared Walk Through the Park by Teac Tribe. This is a sort of jazz-like composition from YouTube audio library. So let's try to play it and we'll start from the source. We're listening through the source. So here we are. Okay, then try to do recording. Alright, and let's listen to the tape. This is the tape for you. It's not bad. Looks like we have a little bit issue with the switch right here. Looks like it's not like one channel is out, it looks like just a commutation of the VU meter is out, so we have to check that. On those speakers this composition will be too bassy, but it's not too bad. So what do you guys think? Did it sound good for you? Obviously YouTube not gonna, show all aspects of the sound, but to me it's actually sounded pretty well and I did nothing to calibrate this deck. This is how it is. I cleaned it up, I fixed the pinch roller, this is how it is. I don't have any calibration tapes, unfortunately, so I won't be able to do any work anyways. So I think this is sound pretty good, guys. Well, if you want to see the repair videos, please watch this particular video. Guys, please stay tuned. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Ciao.